Gukorwo magicogera mbara iria ikoretwo igithii na mbere gatagati ga bururi wa Palestine hamwe na bururi wa Israel makiaria na makiria na andiki a mohoro muthenya kana hwaini wa umuthi. Atongoria a kidini ni magathiririe na njira nene uria thirikari itiganite igeretie kwambika mihango ya gutigirira ati ni mahurana na undu uyu guku magithii na mbere na gwikia ritana kuria kana ikari a bururi wa Israel hamwe na Palestine metikire kugacirithia thayo. Gukiri uguo Akenya ni moretio mahuthire ng'enda cia ukinyaniria gukorwo makihunjia thayo no indeti gutigirira ati ni mahuthira ng'enda icio cia ukinyaniria gutigirira ati ni magagia thayo wa aikari a bururi ucio mundu gwitwo ti kana mundu gwitwo ti mwari wa Njugu ari na ripoti ino.
And whatever the matter is, may there be peace. We declare peace, peace, peace.
Rumirira barere tumukite gatagati ga bururi wa Israel na bururi wa Palestine Atongoria makanitha matiganite ni meyumuritie na gukumithia haro ino makiuga ati atumia na ciana nio mahutitio muno ni mbara ino.
We are deeply saddened by the fact that the prevailing situation continues to resort into murder and what can be defined as unfathomable pain and suffering experienced by the Israeli civilians, especially by women and children, and of course the massive destruction of properties.
Atongoria aya ni meranire ati bururi wa Kenya ni uguthie na mbere na kurugama na mabururi maya ihinda-ini riri irito guku gukinyaniria na riu namba ya andu aria makuite bururi-ini wa Palestine ni ongererekete guku mututhuko wa bomu ya Israel ugikenererwo ni Gaza kuria riboti ya ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri bururi-ini wa Palestine runanitie andu 950 nio makuite na wangi 5,900 nio magurarite hindi ya mututhuko wa riera.
Stand in solidarity with the state and the people of Israel during this what can be defined as indescribable painful moments on the following accounts. Number one, Kenya, as a Christian nation whose foundation of Christian faith is grafted from Israel, and that reflects biblical Israel, is a ground of that gives us reason to speak.
Atongoria acio ni moretie a Kenya matige gucungurira ngui gatagati ka mabururi maya meri nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria na handu hoguo mahoere mabururi macio kuna ndugu ya Kenya na mabururi macio ni numu.
Kenya has a long-standing relationship with Israel, like we all know, that dates as back as our country's independence. Through bilateral agreements with Israel, Kenya has steered development within the agricultural, trade and security sectors. Noted with deep concern the growing incidents of anti-Semitism in various media platforms.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV ni Tagwo Ng'endo wa Njugu.
Na gitio kinene mwiroreri wakwa tukorwo tukioya kahinda gaitu kambere ga